Alright, so on the advice of our buddy Tanner here, I actually have my engine out right now just because I was getting ready to go to a rotated setup myself. I did get the KillerB set up myself back in last July, August when I had it installed, so there's only about 6,000 miles on this configuration. Everything looks fine, but after his little thing about the oil pan, I decided, since I had my engine out and I was actually getting ready to put it back in this weekend, I would go ahead and take a look at mine. So, went ahead and pulled mine out, and sure enough, here we go. We got separation, pretty significant separation right here. We got, it's kind of hard to see, but this weld is totally gone. It's gone. This one's gone. This one's splitting. This one looks like it's splitting. All of them look like they're getting ready to split. So I would highly recommend, if you have one of these things, I would probably end up dropping it right now to take a look at it, because this thing only has 6,000 miles on it, and with how much shaking and vibration was going through with the mounts that I had, I would actually be quite nervous as to what's going on. So if you got one of these things, definitely, I highly recommend taking it out and taking a look yourself. I'm really glad Tanner showed this, so I want to get my own opinion out here as just a regular guy. I love the KillerB products. I bought them all myself, and I'm just actually kind of surprised at this. So here you go. This is real world of 6,000 miles, so I'll be giving them a call as soon as I can. But right now, this is kind of a showstopper for my build. So, well, thanks though, Tanner. I really appreciate it. So keep on the good work.